Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my morning forecast for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video and my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the euro dollar is kind of drifting down a little bit this morning. To me, this looks a little more impulsive over here. This kind of looks a little more corrective. I'm kind of wondering if this is going to turn into a little bit of a bigger ABC correction. I think that if it is an ABC correction, it probably will go down to at least 100%, maybe even more likely like the 123, 138 level before it actually does end up turning back up. You have to remember that today is interest rate news for the US dollar, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that, so definitely make sure you stop in for that. One thing that you also need to keep in mind is that we are in a huge uptrend on the higher time frames. My next area of resistance for the euro dollar is the 78% fib, which I definitely think it will hit that. Maybe it drifts down a little bit before it goes up and then does something like that, but I do think this 78% will get hit right around the 1.1 area. So on the shorter time frames, I'm definitely very, very bullish. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because if we do get a nice Fibonacci retracement bounce, I definitely would continue to look for longs. Kind of seems to me like this is going to stretch out into a little bit of a bigger ABC correction before it really does continue the uptrend. Hopefully it drifts down all day long because if that's the case, it would probably give us another nice entry to go long at the federal funds interest rate news later on tonight. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.